Hello everyone, this is Scott with a tune-up and performance report on this used Connex Saturn CX-33SSB for Robert in California. Robert, I went through, did a tune alignment, and got her all cleaned up, and I think you'll be very happy with it. It's a pretty nice radio. All the features work as it should, and I'll jump right into the tune-up report. So AM power is all the way down. We'll jump up here and see what we got. So we got 25 watt slug and average power, so we'll be reading that top scale there. AM power all the way down. Got 2 watts. All the way up about 8 watts. Average power swing. Hello, 19 to 20. Jump over here and show 50 watt slug and peak. So we'll be reading that middle scale there. Low audio. So around 38, 39, peaking a little over 40. So fantastic radio. Got sideband and FM and AM all aligned on frequency. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for the business, Robert.